Welcome everyone back to our class. Oh, you are really study hard. Ever wonder what makes your nerves tick? Or how your body decides when to fight inflammation and when to calm down? It's not just magic, it's a protein called β-NGF. Discovered way back in 1956, this little powerhouse snagged its discoverers a Nobel Prize. Let's dive into what makes this molecular maestro tick. So where does this β-NGF hang out? Think of it as the ultimate multitasker. Its main headquarters are in neurons, especially those sensory ones that tell you about spicy food or that stubbed toe, and sympathetic neurons that get your heart racing. But it's also a VIP guest at immune parties, particularly in B lymphocytes hanging out in lymph nodes and spleen. It's even found chilling in places like the prostate and salivary glands. Basically, if there's a nerve or an immune cell nearby, β-NGF, NGF might be there, keeping things lively or calm. Alright, let's talk action. What's β-NGF actually doing? Its main gig is being the bouncer for neurons, making sure they grow, survive, and don't throw a tantrum. It's like the personal trainer for your nerves. But it's got more tricks up its sleeve. It's a master of nerve magic, helping axons grow longer and synapses become more flexible, which is crucial for learning and memory. And get this, it's a double agent in the immune system. Sometimes it ramps up inflammation, like in psoriasis or asthma, amplifying pain signals. Other times, it calms things down, boosting B-cell survival. Oh, and it even dips its toes into emotions, apparently giving lovebirds a biochemical boost. Pretty versatile, huh? Now, how does this protein pull off all these feats? It's all about communication, baby. β-NGF, NGF uses two main receptors like walkie-talkies to send messages inside the cell. First, there's TREA, the high-affinity receptor. When β-NGF, NGF binds here, it triggers a cascade involving tyrosine phosphorylation, kicking off pathways like RAS-MAPK for growth and PI3K ACT for survival, basically, telling the neurons stay alive and grow. Then there's 75NTR, the low-affinity one. Alone, it can sometimes yell apoptosis, cell death. But when it teams up with TRA, they become a dynamic duo, amplifying the signals for neurogenesis. It's like having a backup singer who can either drown out the lead or harmonize perfectly. Clever, right? So, what happens when things go wrong? Well, β-NGF, NGF is deeply involved. In Alzheimer's, those vital cholinergic neurons start fading, partly because NGF levels drop. Too much NGF can cause chronic pain, making nerve endings hypersensitive. And in diseases like psoriasis and asthma, abnormal NGF signaling contributes to inflammation and nerve-driven issues. But here's the cool part, because it's so central, it's a prime target for medicine. Measuring serum NGF can tell doctors if nerves are damaged. And new therapies are emerging, like antibodies targeting NGF to block pain, or drugs inhibiting TRA to tackle certain cancers. So this tiny protein isn't just a biological curiosity, it's a key player in health and disease and a hotspot for future treatments. Fascinating stuff.